What's up? Yeah, this is a pleasant change from the hustle and bustle of Manila and Cebu. This is a little bit more laid back, a lot less traffic. Like I said, at least in this area where I'm at right now, I haven't been all over. I just got here, so I'm just doing a walk and talk, you know, just checking it out a little bit. I said this is a mall area here. It's not open. The time here is only 7:45 a.m. so, you know, but still, in Cebu, 7-8 o'clock in the morning, it'd be bumper to bumper already. In Manila, it'd be bumper to bumper. So this is still a good general indication of this city. This is the mall here. I'll go out the other side, stay on the street. Just a little water out here. Well, you don't want to step in that water. I was in Cebu and I was walking, it had been raining, and man, I took a dive, man. My whole foot went into that water. It was not a good feeling. Just look at the water, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's like, you gotta watch where you're going, because man, they have holes, deep holes. You ain't walking, you'll fall right into it. Literally, you'll fall right into it. You guys are curious the price of the jeepneys. They're about 8 pesos per ride. And you can do the math. It's about 50 pesos to the dollar exchange rate. So you're looking at about 20 cents, a little less than 20 cents to ride a jeepney. But they're packed. You get on one, they're packed. When I say packed, you are packed in there. So I did a complete roundabout here, walked all the way around. Now I'm making my way back to the hotel where we had breakfast. Now we're not staying at that hotel, but we did have breakfast there. So hooking it up. Woo, looking good. Ooh, man, hooking it up. Chef Boyardee over here, y'all. He got it going on. Looking good too. Woo-wee. Look at them herbs and spices up in there, y'all. Yeah, the onions and the. Woo. Looking good. Looking good. I might have to come back here. What's your name? Chef what? What's your name? Chef? Chef Boyardee? Alrighty, man. Have a nice one.